So this is question 3.4. Part B of it is simplify the circuit by replacing the parallel connected resistors with equivalent resistors. So as we have already identified the parallel resistors, let us solve them and find the equivalent of them. First of all, let me write the formula for the equivalent resistance. So the formula for it, let me write it by using this color. If there are the n number of resistors, so the equivalent resistance will be 1 over R1 first resistor, 1 over R2 second one, 1 over R3 third one, up to the nth resistor, okay, 1 over R of n. Okay, so this is the formula we have to apply over here, okay, and here as well. Okay, let us first draw the equivalent of this part A. So the equivalent of part A is, it will be, this will be the voltage source, this will be the 24 ohm resistor, and the equivalent of it, because we can see that the total amount of current I naught is going towards it and it is divided in between these two resistors. So therefore this I naught is basically flowing through the equivalent resistor. Okay, so therefore it will be in series with this R, okay, this R, and here it will be R equivalent. Okay, so the value of it is 18 volts. The value of R equivalent here would be, to find it out, it will be 1 over R equivalent, it will be 1 over 36 the first resistor, and the second, which is in parallel with it, is, that is 1 over 18. Okay, you have to find it out and then find the reciprocal of it, you will find the value of R equivalent. This is part A. In part B, we can see that the resistors which are in parallel are this one and this one. So therefore B, it will be the equivalent circuit of it will be here, as these two are in parallel with each other. So therefore it will be here, this will be the combination of it will be in same style as it is here. So therefore it will be R equivalent. Okay, the other resistors, this is 280 and the other one is 180 ohm. Okay, so therefore this is what we have here. This is the current source of 30 milli amps. In order to find the value of R equivalent, here again it will be 1 over R equivalent, and the values of the resistors are 200 and 120. These are in parallel, so 1 over 200 plus 1 over 120. In order to find it out and then finding the reciprocal, because you can see that this is 1 over R equivalent, you will find the answer of it. Okay, so this is for part B. In part C, you can apply the similar rules. Okay, in part C, you can see that here these three are in parallel. You can see that these three here are in parallel, and also these two 75 and this 50k, these are in parallel. So therefore let me first draw the voltage source here. This is the voltage source of 60 volts. The other two resistors which are in parallel here are R equivalent 1. Okay, this is R equivalent 1. The other resistor is 90 kilo, which is connected here. Okay, and the three resistors which are basically in parallel with each other are also here. So it will be like this, and it is R equivalent 2. Okay, finding here the R equivalent 1, it will be 1 over R equivalent 1 is equal to 1 over 75 into 10 power 3, 75 kilo ohm. Okay, this is 75 kilo plus 1 over 50k, which is 50 into 10 power 3. Similarly, R equivalent to find the R equivalent to, it will be R equivalent to is, the three resistors are 100k, 150k and 60k. So 1 over 100 into 10 power 3 plus 1 over 150 into 10 power 3 plus 1 over 60 into 10 power 3. Okay, so this is. So by using these one, you can find out the R equivalent 1 and R equivalent 2. So these are here. Okay. Similarly, in the last one, this is part D, and to find the equivalent of it, let me move down somehow again. So you can see that these two resistors are in parallel. So the series resistors here would be, this is the first 900 ohm, this is the 600 ohm. Okay, these two are in parallel with it. Okay, you can see that these two are in parallel, so therefore it will be here. Okay, and that is, let me call it R equivalent 1. Okay, with it here the voltage source, and the voltage source here is negative positive, and here we have this resistor 2k. You can see that this is the 2k resistor, and the other two resistors which are again in parallel with each other, these are now in series with it, and let me call it R equivalent 2. Okay, so these are now connected like these one. Now in order to find out the R equivalent 1 and R equivalent 2, in R equivalent 1 you have to find the combinations of 506 and 750. That would be 1 over R equivalent 1 over R equivalent 1 is equal to 1 over 750 plus 1 over 500, and to find out the R equivalent 2, these two are in parallel, so 1 over 1 into 10 to power 3, 1.5k, and also plus 1 over 3 into 10 to power 3. Okay, so this is for R equivalent 2, this is for R equivalent 1. Okay, so by using it you can find it, and by applying the same formulation you can see that what is happening here. One question is, why is it connected in parallel with this one, or in such a way that it looks like that it is in parallel with each other? Actually this R equivalent 2 is parallel with the combination of 600 and 900, but why we have connected it here? Because you can see that once the current enters through this node, you can see that it will be divided in these two, and the other current will flow through it. Similarly, you can see that all the current will flow towards this node, the current will be divided here, and the remaining current will flow through it. So it will not affect either we are connecting this R equivalent 2 here or the two resistors in parallel here. Therefore I have connected it like this one. Similarly, you can see that this is in series with this 2k. Why? Because the overall current which is flowing here and entering through this node will be divided among these two resistors. So therefore the total current which is going out of this resistor will be here, and it will be the similar one when combined the currents which are flowing through 1.5k and 3k. So that's it for today, in which we have seen the part B of our question 3.4. If you guys have any question regarding the solution of this one, you can ask me in the comment box. See you soon.